Hello everyone, welcome to our channel VGR Solutions. So let's start our topic. Question number 1 is the national emblem via four lions standing back to back is an adaptation from which of the following? A. Sarnath lions, B. Gir lions, C. Khajuraho, D. Ajanta caves. Answer is correct option is A. The national emblem four lions standing back to back is an adaptation from Sarnath lion, capital of Ashoka on 26 January 1950. Question number 2. Who among the following is not a recipient of the Bharati Gyanpith Award? A. Asa Purna Devi, B. M.F. Hussain, C. Raghupati Sahay, D. V.K. Gokak. And the correct option is B. M.F. Hussain is not a recipient of the Bharati Gyanpith Award. Gyanpith Award is an Indian literary award presented annually by the Bharati Gyanpith to an author for their outstanding contribution toward literature. Question number 3. Global 500 awards are given for the outstanding achievement in which of the following fields? A. Population control, B. Elimination of illiteracy, C. Campaigning against AIDS, D. Protection of environment. Correct option is D. The United Nations Environment Programme established the Global 500 Roll of Honor in 1987 to recognize the environmental achievements of individuals and organizations around the world. The last Global 500 Roll of Honor awards were made in 2003. Question number 4. Pulitzer Prize is awarded for the outstanding work in the field of A. Science and Technology, B. Environmental Studies, C. Literature and Journalism, D. International Understandings. And the correct option is C. Pulitzer Prize, any of a series of annual prize awarded by Columbia University, New York City, for outstanding public service and achievement in American journalism, letters, and music. Fellowship are also awarded in this prize. Question number 5. Who was the founder of Nanda dynasty? A. Bimbisar, B. Mahapadmananda, C. Ajatasattu, D. Dhanananda. And the correct option is B. Mahapadmananda, founder of the Nanda dynasty, conquered Kalinga, but the Nanda rule was short-lived. Which of the following books is written by Arnold Toynbee? A. Mankind and Mother Earth, B. Tom Sawyer, C. The Future of Freedom, D. The Moon's Last Say. And the correct option is A. Mankind and Mother Earth, a narrative history of the world, is written by Toynbee Arnold. Question number 7. The presidency of the UN Security Council rotates among the council members. A. Every 6 months, every year, every 3 months, D. Every month. And the correct option is D. The presidency of the United Nations Security Council is responsible for leading the United Nations Security Council. It rotates among the 15 member states of the council monthly. The head of the country's delegation is known as the President of the United Nations Security Council. Question number 8. Who was the person behind conversion of East India Company from a trading company into a regional power? A. Lord Warren Hastings, B. Lord Clive, C. Lord Dalhousie, D. Lord Wellesley. And the correct option is B. The person behind conversion of East India Company from a trading company into a regional power was Lord Clive. Question number 9. Who inscribed the name of Khalifa of Baghdad on his coins? A. Alauddin Khilji, B. Iltutmish, C. Qutbuddin Aibak, D. Balban. And the answer is B. Iltutmish inscribed the name of Khalifa of Baghdad on his coins. Question number 10. Who among the following Sultan of Delhi assumed the title Sikandar-e-Sani? A. Balban, B. Alauddin Khilji, C. Muhammad bin Tughlaq, D. Sikandar Lodi. And the correct option is B. Alauddin Khilji was a militarist and imperialist to the core. He was very ambitious. Alauddin, whose original name was Ali Gursap, assumed the title Sikandar-e-Sani, Alexander II, and proclaimed Delhi as Darul Khalifa. Question number 11. UN General Assembly recently declared 21st June as A. International Youth Day, B. International Literacy Day, C. International Day of Yoga, D. International Day of Peace. And the correct option is C. Recognizing its universal appeal on 11 December 2014, the United Nations proclaimed 21st June as the International Day of Yoga. The United Nations General Assembly declared 21st June as International Day of Yoga, months after Prime Minister Narendra Modi had proposed the idea. Question number 12. The member countries of NAFTA are A. USA, Canada and Mexico, B. Canada and Mexico, C. USA and Canada, D. Argentina and Brazil. And the correct option is A. The North American Free Trade Agreement NAFTA was a three-country accord negotiated by the governments of Canada, Mexico and the United States that entered into force in January 1994. Question number 13. Sandeep Sejwal won the bronze medal in 2014 Asian Games in which of the following events? A. 200 meter backstroke, B. 200 meter freestyle, C. 50 meter breaststroke, D. 50 meter butterfly. And the correct option is C. Sandeep Sejwal, born on 23 January 1989 in Delhi, is an Indian swimmer. He contested in the men's 100 meter and 200 meter breaststroke events at the 2010 Asian Juniors in Beijing, but did not reach the finals in both events. He won the bronze medal in 2014 Asian Games in 50 meter breaststroke. Question number 14. The Indian space program began in A. 1961, B. 1962, C. 1965, D. 1969. And the correct option is B. The Indian space program began in 1962. In 1969, the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO was set up and headquartered in Bangalore, presently Bengaluru, for the purpose of rapid development of space technology and its application. In 1972, a Space Commission was established. In 1975, India launched its first satellite, Aryabhatta, and thus entered the space age. Over the last 4.5 decades, the Indian space program has made impressive progress through a well-integrated, self-reliant program. Question number 15. Bachpan Bachao Andolan, an organization to protect the right of children, was founded by A. Amir Khan, B. Kailash Satyarthi, C. Om Prakash Gurjar, D. Santa Sinha. And the correct option is B. Bachpan Bachao Andolan BBA Safe Childhood Movement is an Indian-based movement campaigning for the right of children. It was started in 1980 by Nobel laureate Mr. Kailash Satyarthi. Its focus has centered on ending bonded labor, child labor and human trafficking, as well as demanding the right to education for all children. It has so far freed more than 88,000 children from the servitude, including bonded laborers, and helped in their successful reintegration, rehabilitation, and education. Thank you for watching our video. Follow us on Facebook. Our page is @UPSC_MATH_GK. Thank you.